Okay, good evening everybody. Welcome to BAU 2021 here in Munich. Yeah. So yeah, we are. It's a pleasure for us to present our products these 3 days on the BAU here. My name is Frank Wehrmann. I'm a technical advisor at Wolff, Germany, responsible for the north of Europe. And on the left side is my colleague Günther Bissinger. He's a sales guy and technical guy from South Germany, responsible for South Germany. Yeah, Günther, what will we do? Let me say tonight, in the evening. What will we do? I think we will show and explain our BiTurbo stripper. This is our newest and heaviest stripper in the moment, what we have. And yeah, let's talk about what was the reason. We produced this stripper since January 2019. Yeah, January 2019. But Günther, what was the reason?
Because it's not easier to remove the carpet or the subfloor because the chemicals are really strong and never get old.
Okay, so the leveling compounds and the adhesives, they get harder and harder.
Yes.
Yeah. In the past, 20 years ago, we had systems, they were softer, leveling compounds were softer, and it was easier to remove floor coverings, resilient floor coverings, and
parquet.
Yeah, parquet, everything. Yeah, okay. So yeah, the job for the floor fitter, for the floor layer on the job site is a little bit harder today because
yes.
Everything, these materials, leveling compounds and adhesives are yeah, so good. Okay, good. Yeah, let us talk over the machine. We have a machine, the weight is round about
260 kilos.
260 kilos, okay. And I think we have to work out the main points, the big points, why our customers should work with this machine and not with another one from a supplier or anything else. So yeah, can you explain us how can I split the machine? Can I carry it downstairs or upstairs very easy without an elevator?
Yes, of course, you can split the whole machine in different sizes. Yes,
okay.
you can just easier adjustable edges here at the front. We have here at the front 2 parts of adjustable weights and 4 at the back, each side 2 times. And each of this weight at the back has 16 kilos.
Okay, this is every weight on the back is 16 kilos, and the front weight
is 25 kilos.
Okay, you said it before. Okay, okay.
Yes.
So, okay, can you remove it?
Yes, it's very easy to remove. You only the screws.
Have to lose the screws. Okay.
Lose the screws.
Yeah. Is it important to? Sorry, Günther. Is it important to remove the blade before you work on the stripper?
Oh yes, Frank. It's very important
because
the blades are really sharp.
Yeah.
So always we get this hand loose.
This hand gloves. Okay, yeah. Hand gloves, and then you can remove the blades. Shall we do it?
Should we?
I give you a hand. Okay, so we can show how to change the blade. We have a lot of blades in our product range, and so you have to lose these 5 screws in front and the blade holder. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, very good. So now we are safe.
We are safe, yes, of course. So just now we can, if the screws are loose, put the weight on the side. This can we do with each weight.
With each weight, okay.
On this machine.
Okay. So when I look at the stripper, we have 1 motor in front and 1 motor in the back. This front system here, What is this? What is it? Is it an oscillation system or is it a stroke system, or what kind of system is that?
We have here a stroke system.
A
The
stroke
stroke
system,
system
okay.
has 3,000 strokes in a minute.
Okay.
Yes. So this is because the machine is a little bit quietly.
It's a little bit quieter than the other ones before.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, I think this is the thing what we have to do on the job site today. When we are in hospitals, when we are working in hotels or anything else, it's very important to be a little bit quiet.
Yes, of course.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay. So and between the front motor and the back motor, is there a possibility to split the stripper?
When we get in higher positions in an other, I don't know the word in English.
When you will go to the first floor or second
Yes,
floor?
the first floor, second floor, you can.
And there's
split
no elevator on job site, on the job site. Okay.
You can split the front motor from the back motor.
Okay. Can you show it?
You only open or unlock this screw on this, and the other side is one.
Okay. On both sides, you have to lose a screw.
If you open these two screws and put it on the side, you can just, here is the engine of the front motor of the stroke
This
motor.
plug is the power for the front motor.
Yes,
Okay.
it's the only in color. The other is
Black.
black.
Okay. And the other one is blue. Yeah. Okay.
If you cut the power,
Okay. I give you a hand.
the only thing you must do, you
Okay.
put it
Okay. So we have
Out.
two parts, front part and back part. And how many kilos is the front part?
around about 40 kilos.
40 kilos,
The
okay.
back engine is around about 60 kilos.
So-
It's the heaviest part
Okay.
on this machine.
So there's a possibility for strong floor fitter or floor layer to going upstairs, carry it upstairs, no
Yes.
problem. Okay. Okay, ready.
So,
Ready to
now- To work,
to work. We need a blade
we only need a blade.
and
And-
gloves and hand gloves.
You don't see it.
Okay.
So we have, Frank, different sides of this blades.
Yeah. There's a side. One side is sharp on the top. When you can show the U blades, I think it is the best thing is to show it on the U blades. Yeah.
I just fix this blade and then
Okay.
I show you the
If we
blades.
have a very soft subfloor, we use the sharpened side on the bottom, and when we have a very hard subfloor, we need this kind of blade. What Günther has in his hand in the moment, you can see there is this side is sharp, and the other blade it is sharp on the bottom, here on the top and there on the bottom. And if you have a very soft subfloor like a chipboard or gypsum, very, very soft gypsum, it is important to use this blade. And if you have a hard leveling compound or concrete, it is important to use this blade. It depends a little bit of the floor covering what you want to remove. The normal blades, you can change the direction. There's no U, you can change the direction and then you have no problem. Okay.
So
Shall we change the position?
we change the position.
Okay.
Hops.
Yeah, what kind of floor coverings can we remove? We talked before, textile floor coverings are possible, resilient floor coverings.
Yes.
Every resilient floor covering is no problem. Parquet is no problem. Yeah, and we talked before, ceramic tiles, small ceramic tiles. Yeah, normally we don't prefer it because ceramic tiles are sometimes produced larger and larger, and that can be a problem. Or small parts of the ceramic tiles can go to the motor and damage the motor. Again, we have to talk a little bit over blades.
Blades.
Yeah. What kind of different blades we have in the program? Here on my right side, you can see some blades. We talk about this straight blade here. I come a little bit nearer, yeah. This one is here sharp on the top, but you can change the direction and then it is sharp on the bottom. So you can use it on this way, then it goes to the subfloor, and when you use it on this way, sharp on the bottom, it goes away from the subfloor, it goes to the floor covering, yeah? In the direction of the floor covering. So this is very important to use it like this when you, when you have a soft chipboard or a soft gypsum. Yeah, and when you have harder materials like Norament, Noppe or a parquet, we have special blades, different kinds of special blades for hard work. In 20 centimeter, we have it in 30 centimeter, 3 millimeter thickness is here. If you will remove a parquet, it's often that you need a thicker blade, yeah, to remove parquet or thicker material. Yeah, okay.
This is a blade you get also at the machine without? Included?
Included. There's a box, and there's one blade for parquet inside. Then you have a blade what is 350 millimeter and 120, and you have a U blade. Where is it? This one is included. You have a small box with a basic system on blades, and then you can
if you want more.
Yeah, okay. This is a completely box with more blades inside.
With a selection of different
blades. Yeah, and
with the metal inside.
And so every blade is here correctly fixed in, and you can use what you want. Yeah. Okay, I think we have to try and remove the floor covering. When we have a textile floor covering, normally we don't prefer a U-blade because here in the angle, in the edge, it's not so long sharp anymore. Yeah, let me say it's not so long sharp. So we prefer to cut it with a floor fitter's knife, and then in stripes in 35 centimeters or 200 millimeters or whatever. It depends on the blade what you have inside.
You lose a lot of power to remove the carpet.
That's absolutely. When you take two of these floor fitter knives and cut stripes, it uses a lot of energy. And the same is here. It uses a lot of energy. And if this one is not working very well, then you have to cut it before and use a normal one.
I think it's also faster to cut it before and get it out with a normal blade.
Yeah.